You can also work around with permission settings inside of Microsoft Teams. So to work around with that, you need to click on the three dot button right here, and then you need to go around onto settings right here. So on the left side, you can go around and see app permissions right here. So there are different apps that are connected to Microsoft Teams, as you can see right here, like Excel, OneNote, there's like Automate right here, there's PowerPoint right here. So you can go around and control out the permissions for this particular connected applications. Let's say, for example, for PowerPoint right here, you can see that it can access the media right here. If you don't want, that is, it can access out camera, microphone, and speakers from Teams. So if you do not want to actually apply them, you can just go around and disable this, and it won't be able to access the camera anymore. Similarly, for Word as well, you can see that it has the same option right here. For Automate right here, you can see that you can allow Automate to access external links right here through Microsoft Teams. So you can turn this on or off depending on what you want right here. There's Edu Staff Notes, as you can see, Class Notes right here. There's Edu Class Notebooks, as you can see. So for that as well, there's Media right here. And for assignments as well, you can see that you can go around and enable or disable different things right here, as you can see. And that is how you can maintain the privacy of your application and allow and not allow certain things to be accessed from the app permissions area in the settings of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.